In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Workspace features in ElevenLabs so you can stay organized and manage all your voice projects more efficiently. If you're new to the platform, the Workspace is basically your main control center, where all your voices, projects, and generated audio are stored in one place. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and open the Workspace dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of your activity, including recent projects and saved voices. Next, take a look at the navigation panel. From here, you can access text-to-speech tools, voice library, projects, and any other available features in your account. Start by opening a project or creating a new one. The Workspace allows you to manage everything in a structured way, so each project stays separate and easy to find. Inside a project, you can add scripts, generate audio, and organize multiple voice sections without losing track of your progress. You can also switch between different voices quickly from your voice library, which is especially helpful when working on multiple types of content. Another useful feature is the ability to revisit and edit past generations. If something doesn't sound right, you can go back, adjust your text, and regenerate the audio directly from the Workspace. Make sure to keep your projects labeled clearly so you can quickly identify them later, especially if you're working on multiple videos or audio files. As you get more familiar with the Workspace, you'll find it much easier to manage complex projects and maintain consistency across all your voice content. And that's how you use ElevenLabs Workspace features. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.